In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get multiple webcam feeds from Discord into your streams for co-streams. Make sure you open Discord first and have your webcam operating in Discord. As if you open OBS first, it will prioritize your webcam over Discord. Now what you want to do is go to Add in your sources, Window Capture, Add New Source, name it what you'd like. Window, you want to choose Discord, and then click Done. Now we want to crop down this window, so it's just the webcam that we want. So hold Alt and resize. And then you can resize as needed and move to where you'd like. Now what we're going to do is the exact same thing. So we're going to add window capture again. And then it should already be on the existing source. Add. And then we're going to crop it down again, holding Alt for the second window. Resize as needed. And that's how you do it. If you want to add more, you do it the same way, but you will need to get more people into your Discord to find the actual camera position and crop down. And the size of the webcams will change depending on how many users you've got in your Discord. So you may need to recrop them as necessary. Please like, comment and subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.
Furby!